In this lesson, I will explain to you that in Python, by using pandas, how we can read the Excel file. Last time we have discussed the CSV file, so this is the Excel file, and I have made this Excel file and saved it in XLSX extension. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to import pandas as PD in Jupyter Notebook. So now pandas is here. So here is the variable df data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore excel. Again, I will say that you have to write down all these functions in copy and pencil at least 3 times, so you can have a look and you can understand how to write down the functions. Because in a CSV file we were writing pd dot read underscore CSV, but this is the Excel file, so you have to write down Excel. In parentheses, you have to write down the location. My location is my USB F, and then sample data. You can see here the name of the file is sample data, and the extension is necessary. You have to write down. So our extension is XLS, right? This is for the Excel. In quotation, you have to write down. When I will run this function, you will see exactly the same data frame which is here in the Excel file will import in the Jupyter Notebook. See here, right? As we have only one sheet here, so that is why I didn't mention the sheet. If you have a multiple sheets and you want to import some specific sheet, that is why you have to write down the name of the sheet as well. Here is my sheet name is sample. You have to write down in quotation. So when I will run this, you will see the same data frame is there, right? So it is much better to write down the sheet name as well. Now, see here in Excel in my manager, and here too in the manager column, B company does not have any manager. See, it is NANA. So now suppose we have hired the manager, or we know the name of the manager. So we want to write down the name of the manager here. So how you can write down here, you have to use the convert function, converters function. In order to use the converters function here, you have to define a function first. And define how to define a function we have learned when we were learning the basic Python, fundamental Python. So def means define. Define a function, convert underscore manager. Why manager? Because here we are going to discuss this manager column, manager underscore cell, and here is some quotes that if cell equal NA. So see, it is NA. Whatever, suppose if we have not available here, so you have to write down not available, but we have NA, you have to write down NA, then return the name of the manager. Here I have written Saima Aziz, and then return cell. So first you have to define the function, then we have to use the converters function here. So here I have mentioned that converters argument usually takes Python dictionary. So this is the dictionary. I will show you converters manager column. You have to write down in quotation, and what you have to write down here, exactly the same name of your function, right? Convert underscore manager underscore cell. So I will show you one more time, and at the end we have the parenthesis. So when I will run this, you will see that wherever is NA in manager columns, the name of the manager is there, that is Saima Aziz, right? Okay, now come to the revenue. I will show you the revenue column, then you have to do the same thing on EPS here. In this way you will learn more. So in revenue we have not available. In manager column we had NA. I will show you the Excel file as well. Now here is NA, and in revenue we have not available. I say wherever is the not available in revenue column, make it NaN, because these are the messy value. We have to convert some meaningful. So at when we will do data cleaning, it will be easy to understand. So how you have to do this? Same thing. Now you have to define two functions. Convert, same thing. Here manager, and here we are discussing revenue column. So you have to write down revenue column, and everything is same. Second line, if cell is equal to not available, because here we have not available. We do not have NA. Not available, write down in quotation, return none. NaN values, you have to write down none, return cells, right? And then here you have to use the dictionary, Python dictionary converters function. In curly braces, you have to write down manager column, because we are going to discuss two column this way, manager and revenue. What you have to write down here, exact the same name which you have used when you were defining your function. So convert underscore revenue underscore cell, and for manager same thing. When I will run, you will see wherever not available we have in our revenue column, it is converted to NAN. So you have use converter function. Same thing you have to do for EPS. Wherever in EPS we have not available, convert to some number or whatever. So you have to do the same thing here. Right, so practice this, make your own scenario, play with it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.